Hello guys, so welcome to today's daily LeetCode challenge problem. This problem is find the original typed string 1. In this problem we are given a string, and this string is what Alice is attempting to type. So the problem statement says that Alice is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. So see that a character is being typed multiple times. So a particular character is being repeated. Although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she is aware she may still have done this at most once. Okay. You are given a string word which represents the final output displayed on the Alice screen. Return the total number of possible strings that Alice might have intended to type. So see, if this is the string, in this case either this B could be repeated or any of these C's could be repeated. So either Alice is trying to do it because it is saying at most, so it could not be also. I mean to say that Alice has typed it correctly also, but it could be that there is repetition. So repetition can only occur in this case or in this case. So either the C's are the thing that she wanted to print, or the B's are the things that she wanted to print, or it could be that there is repetition. So if there is repetition, then there is one repetition of B, and then there is this three more repetitions of the C. So one for B and three for C, and plus one, the original is as it is intended. So there could be 5 different possible original strings that Alice might have intended to type. So to get this count, what can we do? So to get this count, what can be done is that we'll create one char array WARR is equal to word dot to char array. Okay, and then we will start our loop from I is equal to 1. So for this it's better we take the length of the WARR dot length, and then use this n here plus I, and put a if here, that if WARR I minus 1 is equal to WARR of I, then what we will do that we will increment the count. So count is the given string could be the intended one. So since it could be the intended one, we are initializing count with the value 1. Otherwise, if in case the previous character is the same as the current character, in that case also we are incrementing this count. Okay, and finally we are returning this count, and that's how we are solving it. Perfect. So see, we have solved it, but this solution is not the fastest. Even though we have only done one pass, there are some things which we could have avoided to make this execution even faster. So let's concentrate on those things. To unravel the things which we can do to make this execution faster is that first of all we have to let's get rid of this and then we have to concentrate on the constraints of the problem. The constraints of the problem says that the word length is from 1 to 100. It cannot go to 0. The given string cannot have 0 length. So given this, what we will do that instead of let me go back to the previous yeah, so let me go So since now this was the previous solution, here we are doing word dot to chair array. This is a very, you know, uh, time consuming operation. So instead of this, what we will do that, we will get rid of this. Okay, so this line will not do, this line will have to do, because we need to get the word length. Okay, and if the word length is equal to, if n is equal to 1, then we will return 1. Okay, because in given one character string there is no chance of repetition, otherwise we are initializing our count with 1, and then char c char previous char is equal to word dot char at 0. Okay, and then we are starting from like this, and then we are putting a check, previous char is equal to word dot char at I. Okay, then we are incrementing this count, else is the case when previous char is not equal to the current char. If that is the case, then we will put the value of current char in the previous char. Okay, and then we'll return it. Okay, so with this we are done with our implementation. This is also working fine. Let me submit this. So this is the optimal, this is beating all other solutions, and we are, not doing anything unnecessary. All paraphernalias, all unnecessary things have been cut down, and we are doing exactly what needs to be done, nothing else. So I hope this is clear. Okay, so with this, thanking you, thanks a lot, happy coding, best wishes.